In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Python in system. Open a browser and type Python 3.x free download. There appears a page. In that, click on download Python link. It will take you to www.python.org. You can see you can download Python 3.8.3. If you are looking for Python with a different operating system, you can click on Windows or Linux or Mac OS. And this is the Python release for Windows. We have which displays all the version right from 2.7 to 3.7.8, and Python cannot be used on Windows XP or earlier version. Now download Python 3.8.3. Once it is downloaded, try to install Python. Just click on install now. It will get installed. Before you install this Python, check your system configuration. Go to desktop. You can see my computer. Right click on it and choose properties and check for whether your system is 32-bit or 62-bit. Based on it, you can select the version of this Python. So in this page you can see the different versions that was in Python. 2.7, many versions are there till 3.78. Still the setup was in progress. Once the setup was completed, it will be displaying the messages setup was successful. Now click on start all programs. Python 3.8, IDLE Python 3.8. Now you can see the Python shell window appears on the screen. This is how the download and installation of Python can be done.